Welcome to Marine Data Solutions. Today, we're diving into how you can stay connected on the water with data SIM cards and wireless internet solutions for your boat. In today's world, staying connected while on the water is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working remotely, or simply keeping in touch with loved ones, a reliable internet connection is essential for a seamless coastal experience. At Marine Data Solutions, we specialize in advanced data SIM cards designed exclusively for maritime use. Need unlimited data? We've got you covered. Looking for the latest 5G SIM cards? We offer options that ensure stable and fast connectivity, even in remote areas. Pair your data SIM card with a Peplink PepWave router for even greater reliability. These routers feature advanced tools like bandwidth management for optimal speed and failover capabilities for uninterrupted connectivity. For the ultimate performance, we recommend the Peplink Max BR 1 Pro 5G router, which supports 5G connectivity for high-speed internet on your vessel. Marine Data Solutions also makes it easy to order data-only SIM cards for your yacht. Enjoy unlimited, high-speed internet without the need for traditional phone services. And if you're unsure what's best for you, our expert team is always ready to guide you to the perfect plan and equipment. Want to take your connectivity to the next level? Pair Starlink Maritime with your data SIM card using our innovative MDS blender. This device combines up to 4 internet sources, ensuring the fastest and most reliable connection available for your yacht. Stay connected on your maritime adventures with Marine Data Solutions. Reach out today for the best data SIM cards, expert installation, and 24/7 support. Let us help you navigate the future of maritime internet connectivity.